Chris, in talking about gifts, and of course, if you have a musician in the family, there's nowhere better they could go in town, is there, than KSM, because you have gifts literally coming out of your ears. I mean, we've pulled together a few right here to show you just a small amount of the things that you guys have. So let's get started over that side, Chris.
Yeah, to start, we have like an audio interface for the big word of it, but it allows you to record your voice or an instrument of any sorts.
Okay.
And it comes with all you need to have, the program and everything.
Okay.
And that's, you know, not too expensive, $100 to get going, and then you can make your own albums. So just like that, and it's like studio quality, very good stuff.
Instant stardom.
Yeah, exactly. Just like that, you could be out there. And then we have, you know, basic things like metronomes. We have tuners and things that the essentials to make sure you're playing on time and make sure you sound the way you do. Something every musician needs.
Yeah, definitely.
We have something that's very cool for practice. This is a new amp by Boss. It has a wireless transmitter built into it, so you can just plug right in. It's battery powered all the way, so you can take it anywhere.
Wow.
And it's quite loud for as small as that is.
Yeah.
It projects a lot of sound and has tons of features.
Right.
So that's a very cool amp for somebody that's needing to practice, you know, anywhere.
And of course you have the other wireless little box things that, not necessarily for that one, just for other amplifiers.
Yeah, you can get these, so you can make any amplifier wireless and any guitar wireless. So you can have that as well. This one just happens to have it included with the amp. Yeah.
Big trend these days, of course. Records are coming back. Vinyl is big, and you have the record players.
Yeah, we carry records now, and record players, and record accessories. If you need cleaning supplies and all sorts of stuff, we have all of that.
You sure do.
So if you're not quite into a musical instrument and you just like listening to music, get a record player and some records. So we'll have that too.
Yeah.
Yep. And we have things like a toolkit for a guitar. You know, one thing that I'm always doing, of course, because I work here, but is fixing guitars.
Right.
So to be able to change your own strings, to be able to just adjust a few things that go out of whack as you're playing the instrument, this is an essential thing to have on hand in your guitar case.
Perfect little gift. Cables. Let's talk for a minute about cables, because you literally have hundreds of cables in here.
Yeah, we have probably the largest selection. Actually, we do have the largest selection in town of cables and adapters and all sorts of connectors. And you never can have too many mic cables or anything like that. So you want to have, you know, just the right things and some on hand. Yeah, and we've got plenty of those. And then we have, you know, things like beginning books. This one's specifically for bass, but we have lots of other
instruments. You have hundreds of books right here covering virtually every instrument, right?
Yeah, we've got lots of instrument books. This one has a DVD with it, so some great ways to start out and get you playing right.
Nice. Now, when you've made your investment, of course, you want to be able to protect it. And so talk about a number of cases. You've got literally hundreds of those again, too.
Yeah, we've got anything from a basic gig bag, something just to pack it around and make it easy, to a hard case that you can travel on the road and be something really sturdy.
Snazzy looking, too.
Yeah, I got some good looking ones.
What's this box down here?
So this, I'll even pick it up real quick. It's kind of good for if you're just wanting to do like a little karaoke in the house or something like that. Has a couple inputs, so you can plug mics into it, you can plug music into it, and you could do like karaoke at your house, or you can just sing through it or play instruments. So
again, I mean, $139, that's a whole lifetime of entertainment right there.
It is for anybody. You can do a lot with that little unit right there. So, and then stands,
guitar stands,
yeah, we have guitar stands. This is a ukulele stand. It also holds a mandolin. So we've got different ways to display your instruments and make sure they're being shown off the way they should.
They should be, and again, protecting your investment. I mean, just anything that you could want in the line of gifts they have here at KSM. And Chris and the guys and girls here at KSM are more than willing to help out, especially on the gifts, and especially at this time of the year, holidays coming up.
Absolutely. We have lots of suggestions, so just if you don't know anything, come in, we'll show you all this fun stuff that relates to you and who you're getting a gift for.
So super time to come in and get you a gift. And also, if you want a gift, come in and say, I would like to have this. If my wife comes in, please tell me. Please tell her what I want, right? Maybe they could put a list aside for you. KSM Music here in Logan, Utah. Fabulous place. You're not going to find a more stocked place, store that you're going to come into, and everything that you could possibly need for your instruments. Thanks so much, Chris.